Hi, welcome back. Welcome back to One Honey Bell. How are you doing this morning? Good morning. This morning I'm going to make some ackee and saltfish. And this ackee and saltfish, as you look, it's in a Ziploc bag. I have a little tree around the back of my yard, and so we pick them as they open and we put them in the freezer. So today is the day that I'm going to cook some ackee and saltfish for my family. And we're going to show you how we cook ackee and saltfish. And if you like this video, you can come make some comment and subscribe and like to our videos. And thanks for watching. For those of you who have subscribed already, I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And for those of you who is still undecided, it would be nice, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. One Honey Space Bell. So my water is boiling for my ackee. It's over here. It's fully boiling, sorry. And I'm just going to put in my ackee now and show you what's going on in One Honey Bell kitchen. Yes. So this is my saltfish. I wash and I'm going to put it in my pot to be cooked so I can get to put it in my ackee. So that's what I do. I put it on the top of my bananas and my other food. I'm also cooking some corn. So that's what's going on in my kitchen right now. Ackee and saltfish and banana, some nice boiled banana. And I'll show you later what's going on. My ackee over here and my saltfish. Yes. Hi everybody. Good. Welcome back. Welcome back to One Honey Bell Kitchen. Yes. Well, today I'm cooking a Jamaican dish, the national dish, ackee and saltfish. And you remember that song, you know, that we usually sing, that folk song? Yeah, me ackee girl instead market, not a quality would sell. Oh, yeah, me ackee girl instead market, not a quality would sell. Oh Lord, what a night, not a bad. What a Saturday night. Oh Lord, what a night, not a bad. What a Saturday night. So I'll show you as I go on cooking my ackee and my saltfish. You know, it's weekend, and you know, I told you guys I like to cook for my family on weekend. So that's what I'm doing now, guys. So my ackee is ready. It's soft. And my saltfish over here. So I'm going to use my fork to try. And it is soft. It's ready. So I'm going to strain the water off. And I'm going to pull my saltfish apart. This is a saltfish apart. And then I'll show you what's going on in One Honey Bell kitchen. Yes, and my food is bubbling over there. So as we go on, I'll show you what's going on in One Honey Bell kitchen. Yeah. So this is my saltfish. You know, I cook it, I debone it, I take off the skin. This saltfish is the same thing they call you call codfish, but you know this saltfish is cured and salted. That's why we call it saltfish, and it tastes good when you put it into your ackee. You can just cook it up with tomato too, just by itself, and it's all good. And over here I cut up my onion and my bell pepper. I have some thyme, I have some hot pepper, and I have my ackee here that I strained off the water. And I'm going to put everything together and combine it, incorporate it, and then I'll show you, you know, the best ackee and saltfish. One Honey Bell kitchen. Yes. So I put some oil to heat, and I'm going to first I put my seasoning, my onion and stuff in here. Be careful. And you turn it down your burner, you know. You don't want to get burned, but you're gonna let your onion, your seasoning cook a little bit before you put your saltfish. It's weekend, and I told you I just like to cook for my family on weekend. My son is sleeping, nobody not really here apart from him, and I'm able to burst out with that little song and dance my song, and for you guys. Ackee got Linston Market. Yes. And I should tell you too that ackee is a good fat. I'm gonna put my saltfish in. So I put my saltfish in, and ackee is a good fat. So it's like an avocado fat, it's not, especially for those of you ladies who's watching your waistline, and you have to watch your cholesterol. So ackee is not too bad because, as I told you, it's not a bad fat, it's a healthy fat. So now and again you can relax and enjoy and eat some of this. This saltfish, for those of you who might not know, you can get it in your local supermarket. Where I live, I can get it in Publix or any other Caribbean supermarket. So you let this fry down a little bit, but I don't put any salt in my ackee when I'm cooking it, because most times, there is salt in the saltfish. Everything don't boil out. I don't like to soak it overnight and boil it 3 times. I want to taste a little bit of salt. And after you mix up everything, incorporate everything, you can taste it to see if you need more salt. But for those of you who's really watching your blood pressure, you can cook it 3 times, whatever. It's all good. Subscribe and like and follow us on Instagram. Subscribe and like to our channel, One Honey Bell, One Honey Space Bell. Thanks for watching. So it's ready for the ackee. You want to put it in. You fry your saltfish a little, then you put in your ackee. And you incorporate the ackee and saltfish into the ackee. And this is the time I don't really like to use black pepper, but I use it in my ackee, and if I'm doing something with egg, like scrambled egg or something. But wow, look at this ackee and saltfish. I know who can't wait to eat some of this. My husband. We're gonna have fun eating this. Yes. With some green bananas. And I didn't cook any dumpling because I'm watching my starch, my carbs. So I'm gonna add some black pepper. So this is it. This is the Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. If you look, I put a lot of saltfish in there. So we don't want to eat ackee, we have the saltfish with it. So subscribe and like to my videos and follow me on Instagram. Until then, take care and walk good. God bless. Bye. Mwah. This is my nice ackee and saltfish. If you look, this is Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. No roast breadfruit right now, but ackee and saltfish. So follow us on Instagram, ackee and saltfish. Yeah, One Honey Bell Kitchen. If you click on my bio, you will get to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe, and that you can get many more dishes as looking and tasting delicious like this one. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Mwah.